In this video, we'll introduce solving linear inequalities. You basically solve an inequality the same way you do an equation. The goal is to isolate the x. First, we need to subtract 2. (3x) is less than or equal to 12. Next, we will divide by 3. X is less than or equal to 4. From here we have options on how to write our answer. Set notation is all x such that x is less than or equal to 4. If we wanted to graph this, we would have a closed circle on the 4 and shade to the left. Up next, we first need to distribute to remove the parentheses. 3x plus 3 minus 5 is greater than 2x plus 1. Combine like terms on the left. 3x minus 2 is greater than 2x plus 1. From here, we want to isolate the x by putting all the x terms on the left and the constants on the right. We need to subtract 2x on both sides, and we will also add 2 to both sides. Now we have x is greater than 3. To write our answer in set notation, we write all x such that x is greater than 3. If we were to graph this, we would have an open circle on the 3 and shade to the right. Open circle because we're strictly greater than 3, we're not including 3. In this example, we will start by subtracting 5. Negative x is less than negative 4. Now to isolate the x, we need to divide both sides by negative 1. And when we divide by a negative, the inequality changes directions. So we have x is greater than 4. Writing our answer in set notation, all x such that x is greater than 4. If we wanted to graph our answer, we would have an open circle on the 4 and shade to the right. In this example, we first want to distribute to remove the parentheses. 2x minus 6 plus 5x is greater than 8x minus 8. Combine like terms. On the left, we have 2x and 5x. That will give us 7x minus 6 is greater than 8x minus 8. Put all the x terms on one side, the constants on the other. I like to put my x's on the left, so I'm going to subtract 8x on both sides and add 6 to both sides. Now we have negative x is greater than negative 2. Divide both sides by negative 1. And we get x is less than 2. Remember to change the direction of the inequality when you divide or multiply by a negative. Our answer in set notation will be all x such that x is less than 2. And as a graph, we'll have an open circle on the 2 and shade to the left.